Hi besties, welcome back to another amazing video. So today we are going to be making a DIY sugar wax that we're going to use for our underarm. We're not going to be using this Vid shaving cream. We are going to be making our own sugar wax, and this time around I actually made it more spicy. I added turmeric, and this is the kind of results we are expecting to get. So just stay tuned, do not go anywhere, okay? Hi besties, welcome again. It's your favorite girl Chama Innocent Wabode. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I actually love to explain why I use certain ingredients in our recipe. So if you're very familiar with waxing, you know that our first ingredient is sugar. Sugar is actually the main ingredient to use for sugar waxing. It is the main removal agent. Yes, because sugar, once it's heated and it's melted, it will definitely form a very thick paste. And why it's actually used is because it will remove hair from the roots without strongly sticking on the skin. And the next ingredient you can see I added was turmeric. Guys, this video is an unfiltered video, so stay with me so that you will know if we actually got that result that we are expecting to have. Turmeric doesn't really actually help with the waxing, it's just there for skin benefits, okay? Because turmeric actually helps to brighten the underarm, and it's an anti-inflammatory ingredient. And one of our ingredients we're going to also add is lemon. Lemon is a natural preservative. The acidity in lemon actually helps to prevent bacterial growth, and it also helps to make the paste more smoother and more effective. That is why you see lemon is a key ingredient. You see sugar, lemon. If you've not added these two ingredients to your recipe, then you've not started making your sugar wax. So I'm going to be using my sieve now to sieve out the juice. I just added turmeric for skin benefits. Turmeric doesn't necessarily help with sugar waxing, and it was actually because of videos that I saw online, so I was like, okay, let us try it out. So just stay tuned for the results. The result is very important, guys. If you've not liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the like button and subscribe to be part of this amazing family so you don't miss out any important videos, okay? So I just added my water. Water helps in dissolving the sugar and preventing the mixture from crystallizing too fast, allowing the paste to form properly. So I'm going to be cooking this in a low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see how it's looking. So guys, please stay with me. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, to be part of this amazing family. Okay, so let's look at it. Our paste is getting ready, so I'm going to heat it, but please do not overheat it, okay, so it doesn't turn to a block. So yep, let's keep waiting. And sorry guys, I didn't show you when I took it out of the fire. So this is what it looks like. I allowed it to cool down, and this is what I've gotten. Oh my god, I don't even know what to say, but I just feel like this my wax is not waxing enough. You guys are going to be surprised that okay, this was what I got, and I am still showing you guys this. It's not supposed to be perfect. No, this is an unfiltered video, guys. We are going to see the procedure and everything and the results. We are all going to judge it together. So this is me getting ready to apply the wax in my underarm to pull off the hair. Yes, I'm just showing you guys that okay, I'm going to be using the spatula of the Vit to apply it on my underarm. I'm not using this Vit, okay? So this is the hair. I just have little hairs around that area. Okay, it's time. It is time. But I just feel like that wax is not really waxing enough, and just please stay with me. We are going to know and find out why some things did not work as planned. Okay, so this is our wax, so it's time for us to apply it in my underarm. Okay, that is why before I actually try out any new recipe or any new idea, I always like to try it out of myself. And this time I decided to actually try it out and share it with you guys. With how I even mixed it, making sure that I mix the ingredients accurately, it still turned out to look like this. When I put out my hair, nothing came out. So this is the reason why it happened like this. You know, it is because of the turmeric. Because when you add turmeric too early to your mixture, or you even add it a lot, turmeric will turn your wax into a candy. So you can see how it's looking. If I should open my tongue, at some point I was licking it. God forgive me. It was actually very, very sweet, but not the one I applied on my armpit. So like I actually tasted it. It was tasting like a candy. The fault is from the turmeric that I added. I added it too early and I added much of it. So you can see, even if it did remove just a little hair, it didn't even work at all, guys. So this is me complaining about what just happened. This is going to be a really, really transparent video. Like, I've not really done this before, but one thing I do is that every DIY recipe that I use actually work. I would not come to this app and lie to you, or because I want to have views, I want to have thousands of views, and you know, tell you something that will not really work. And at the end of the day, you'll be like, oh, I used it and it did not work for me. You'll be thinking maybe there was a problem with what you did, not knowing that the problem was even from the mixture, from the video itself. So this is my goal, is to actually give you a very, very transparent video and do something that will really work for you. Please don't mind how I'm looking. You can see I just actually had to take a bath because it was looking so messy, and I don't know if it's with turmeric, because even at some point while I was actually pulling off, whether my skin got so sensitive, and the mixture turned red, so it was as if I was bleeding, or it gave me a little injury, but the hair did not come out. So you guys should come to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video, what went wrong. If you're used to waxing, come down to the comment section and tell me how it should be made, what to do, you know, and tell me the method, even using this turmeric that I used. Could it be the turmeric, or could it be the water? Did I not, you know, steam it properly? Because I know I steamed it very well, and as you can see, it's giving this very, very thick consistency. So what do you think went wrong? Could it be our consistency that went wrong? This is an unfiltered video, because I could literally like make it work and take off the hairs and now act like it was what actually took my hairs off. I could literally do that, but I won't, because transparency and honesty is key. That line will be the last thing I want to do to you guys on this app. The last thing I want to do is to lie to you because of views. Nope. I wouldn't want to do that. So it actually injured me at some point, but it was actually taking off the hairs, but it wasn't giving me that energy. So what do you think? Please come to the comment section and tell me how it is done. If you are someone that do waxing, come to the comment section and tell me. Okay, if you watched this video from the beginning to the end and you took notes of the recipes, you took notes of the ingredients, how they were mixed, everything, how I cooked, how I applied it, come to the comment section and tell me what you think could have gone wrong. Or it's very simple. The problem was the turmeric. If I didn't tell you, you wouldn't even know. I added turmeric too much and I added it early, so that was why it was giving a candy-like form and it was running. Thank you so much for subscribing and sticking with me. My name is Choma. If you're just seeing this for the first time on this channel, I share skincare tips, healthcare tips. I also do DIY recipes. All right, fam, that is that about that video. Please do well to share your thoughts with me. Let me know what you think. So if I'm to drop another video like this on how to properly and correctly make your sugar wax and share the result with you, come down to the comment section and say please share this video with us, and in no time you get the video. All right, thank you once again, and until then I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.